Hey guys, here's an easy tutorial on how to draw a kitten using pastel pencils. Have fun! First, use foam pieces or a small brush with pastel powder to do the background colors. That is optional, but will make your work stand out more. With pastel pencil, you need to layer the dark colors first, and then slowly build up fur in the direction it goes. I use my grays, blues and greens, then add the pupil and a highlight. Pastel pencils easily smudge, so I use baking paper to not smudge my work while drawing. Do the fur with gentle strikes and make it thin. Also, don't rub or push hard on the pencil because the lid could easily break. I hope you liked watching it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.